Hey guys, it's Valerie here. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're already subscribed, then thank you for stopping by again to watch my video. So in this video I'm doing something different again. This is another hair review. This is the same wig that I reviewed on my channel before, the Brazilian deep curl from Beautifying hair extensions. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be straightening this hair. I just want to see how well this hair straightens and if it even straightens. Like, I really want to see if this hair can get bone straight. So this is the wig. I don't have any product in the hair. Literally, I shampooed this hair. I washed it. I just used shampoo on Sunday, and then I just brushed it out and I put it on my mannequin and I let it air dry. And this is the turnout. I really like this. It's so beautiful, so curly, just scrumptious. I love it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a brush. You can use any type of brush that you like. So just take this brush, and I'm just going to brush out the curls. Also, there is no product in this hair whatsoever. Just brushing out the curls. Up in here, I like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part this hair. I'm gonna start in the back. hair straight. I do like it, to be honest, but what I can say is that my straightener isn't amazing, so I didn't think I was gonna get it bone straight because it is curly, so it does have some kinks to it, you know. And I don't have a hot comb, not bone straight. Of course I knew that it wasn't going to be bone straight because I don't have the best straightener. My sister's sleeping in, my straightener is in her room, and if I go wake her up and it is 11:54, she's going to throw something at me. But this hair does have a lot of density, so it isn't thin, it's very thick. I like it. It is thick when it's curly and it is thick when it's straight. So I do like it, and I feel like if I had added product onto the hair, it might have been more silky, but I didn't have any product on hand, so I didn't use any. Don't straighten your hair without using heat protectant, guys. Never do that. Yeah, basically that's it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I don't know if there were any tips in this video. I just wanted to show you guys how the hair straightens. So if you do end up buying this wig, or maybe in the long run, and you're cautious about whether it will straighten, just watch this video and see that it does straighten because it is human hair. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys!